Hello everyone, welcome back to Fluent English with Shekhar. In today's class, we'll learn how English words are formed using a simple pattern called CVC, that is consonant vowel consonant. ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್, ಇವತ್ತಿನ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು CVC ಪ್ಯಾಟರ್ನ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹೇಗೆ ನಾವು ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಅಂತ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ CVC ವರ್ಡ್ ಅಂದ್ರೇನು? ವಾಟ್ಸ್ ಎ CVC ವರ್ಡ್? CVC means consonant vowel consonant. For example, bat, cup, key, bus, pen. Dear friends, before continuing the video, those who are watching my channel without subscription, please subscribe to my channel and watch my videos. And also don't forget to comment and like my videos. Let us continue the topic. CVC means consonant vowel consonant. For example, see the word bat. We can observe here B is consonant, A is vowel, again T is consonant. Likewise, we can observe this CVC pattern in all these words. Every English word has at least one vowel sound, that is A, E, I, O, U. ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ವರ್ಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಟ್ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ಒಂದು ವೋವೆಲ್ ಸೌಂಡ್ ಇದ್ದೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎ ಇ ಐ ಒ ಯು ಈ ವೋವೆಲ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ವೋವೆಲ್ ಇದ್ದೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ವೆನ್ ವಿ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಎ ವೋವೆಲ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ಟೂ ಕಾನ್ಸೊನೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಎ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ವರ್ಡ್. ಎರಡು ಕಾನ್ಸೊನೆಂಟ್ ಮಧ್ಯೆ ನಾವು ಒಂದು ವೋವೆಲ್ ಅನ್ನ ಹಾಕಿದಾಗ ದಟ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ಸ್ ಎ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ವರ್ಡ್. ದೆನ್ ಕಮ್ ಟು ಮಿನಿ ಎಕ್ಸರ್ಸೈಸ್. ಫಿಲ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಬ್ಲಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ವಿತ್ suitable vowels. I will pause a few seconds. You can guess the answer. First one, P-T. Guess the suitable vowel to make a short word. Answer is pot. You can make any word, but you must place a vowel to make a meaningful word. Second one, T-P. The answer is T-O-P. You can place vowel A. You can place any vowel to make a meaningful word. Here the answer is top. Third one, S-N. Answer is sun, S-U-N or S-O-N. Next one, H-T. Answer is hat or hot. You can add A or O, that becomes hat or hot. Last one, S-T. Answer is sit, S-I-T. Now come to word families and sound practice. Let's practice a few word families. Start with at family, like cat, rat, mat, fat. You can observe here, in every word we can observe at the end of the word. See this column, first column ending, next words, next how to pronounce these words. First one, at. The words are cat, bat, hat, mat. See the pronunciation of these words: cat, bat, hat, mat. Come to in family. The words are pin, tin, win, sin. You can observe in at the end of the word. That is what? In family. See the pronunciation of these words: pin, tin, win, sin. Come to OG family. The words are dog, log, jog, fog. You can observe OG letters at the end of the words. Observe the pronunciation of these words: dog, fog, log, jog. You can observe vowel sounds A, I, O in these words. Let's go to a word building activity. Let's build words together. I'll give you letters and you form a word. For example, C plus A plus R, that becomes dash. S plus U plus N, that becomes dash. B plus E plus D, that becomes dash. D plus I plus G, that becomes dash. Small changes in letters can completely change the meaning. For example, C-A-T, cat. If you change the middle letter A, you will have a different word that is entirely different from the first one. See here, the word cat, C-A-T, cat becomes cut. Just changing the middle vowel from A to U. Then that becomes cut. Then the meaning of this word changed completely from cat to cut. Likewise, cup, C-U-P, that becomes cap, C-A-P. We can observe the change of meaning just replacing A instead of U. Now it is fun quiz time. Fill in the blank with correct spellings. First one, P-N. I'll show the correct answer. Second one, C-T. Third one, T-P. See the answers. First one, pin. Second one, caught. Third one, tip. Now that you know how to form CVC words, you can read short sentences easily. See, for example, the cat is on the mat. See the CVC words here, cat, mat. This is a simple sentence. The cat is on the mat. Likewise, I sit on the log. This is a very simple sentence. You can observe the CVC words sit and log. Next one, the sun is hot. Sun and hot. These two words are CVC words because we have added U and O in the middle of the word. Practice reading aloud every day for 5 minutes using these small words. It improves both spelling and pronunciation. Dear students, you have learned how simple English word can be formed using the CVC pattern. In the next lesson, we will explore parts of speech and understand how words play different roles in a sentence. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Fluent English with Shekhar for more step-by-step English lessons. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.